This is plate 52, which is an envelope drawn at full scale. So we're going to begin with the line command. And the first point would be, which is on the paper, 4.25, comma, 1.5. Press enter. Alright, this time you're going to come down here to the polar tracking, which is in your status bar. You're going to click on the arrow right beside it and make sure 30, 60, 90, 120 are selected. What this does is it tracks 30 and 60 degree angles, 90 degree angles, and 120 degree angles in your drawing, which is a great tool. Because of the fact you have 120s and 60 degree angles in this drawing, this will definitely help with the drawing. Okay, so we're going to begin with going in a 60 degree angle at 2.25. Then I'm going to go in a 90 degree angle, 0.38. I'm going to go to the right, 0.38. I'm going to go at a 60 degree angle at 1.88. I'm going to come back. I'm going to go in a vertical direction, 0.81. I'm going to press enter to finish that command of drawing the lines. Now from here, I'm going to use my mirror command. So I'm going to go to mirror. I'm going to select the first 4 lines of the drawing. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to choose the midpoint of the line, of the last line that we made, this triangle here. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to go to the left all the way to this perpendicular symbol and click again. It's going to ask, do I want to erase? I want to say no, and there's the first half of the shape right there. Next, again, I'm going to do another mirror. This time I'm going to select the top line, this line, and that one. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to choose the top corner, and I'm going to come straight down to the bottom. It's going to ask, do I want to erase? I'm going to say no. At this time, I'm going to use my rectangle command under the draw panel. Starting at this corner, I'm going to come with a rectangle to that corner. Next, I'm going to use the mirror command. Click on the original line, the first one, and the second, and the third. I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to choose the bottom point, and I'm going to go straight up to the midpoint and click. It's going to ask, do I want to erase? No. Lastly, I'm going to come with my line command. I'm going to go at a 60 degree angle, which is actually 120, and type the distance of 2.31. Enter. I'm going to press enter again. I'm going to use the mirror command. Click on the inclined line. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to choose the midpoint here. And I'm going to go all the way across to this intersection mark. It's going to ask, do I want to say to erase? I'm going to say no. And again, notice I have a gap. What I want to do is extend this line by just selecting it first. Choose the blue grip, and I'm going to stretch it just a little bit further past the line. Then next, I'm going to use my extension button. So I'm going to go to extend. I'm going to click on the line that I want to extend to, and as you can see, it connected. Next, I'm going to use the shift. So I'm going to hold shift, and sorry, I'm going to have to go back. So this time I'm going to just go straight to a trim and hit enter and trim out the line that I do not want. Alright, this time it's now to dimension this drawing. So up here in the middle, I'm going to use the annotation section, and I'm going to go to the dimensional line, and I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to select the line that I want to dimension, which is this one. I'm I'm gonna press enter again, press enter again, select the line and dimension, press enter again, and dimension, press enter second time to create the dimension. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try it again. I undo it. Let's go back to my line, press enter. Alright. I have one more over here. So I'm doing 2 enters, so I'm able to click the line, but you can actually click points as well to make it. So next is a dim linear style. So I'm gonna choose a linear, press enter. I'm gonna select this line and come out with a 0.81. I'm gonna press enter again to activate the command. Press enter a second time to create the 38 here. Press enter to make the second one. Now that one could be very tricky depending on where you select, because you got the dimension line that's above the regular line. So what I did was I chose the bottom part right here where it's a visible gap. Now what I want to do is make that visible gap by clicking this grip and dragging it to that intersection. So now it's separate. Same for this one. Alright. Next we're going to do our dim anglers, which is the angler button here. Or you can type dim angler. And we're going to click on our 2 lines that forms that angle. Press enter. Here to here would be 60. Press enter. From this line to that line creates the 120. Enter. This line to this line makes it 120. Here to here, 60. Alright, our final annotation will be using the leader command. So you type the word leader. I'm gonna click at the bottom, and I'm gonna go in it'll be 240 degrees, and I'm gonna type 0.375. Come to the left at 0.125. I'm gonna press enter for the annotation, and then I'm gonna type in all caps 4.25, comma 1.5. Enter, and there we have it. This is a complete drawing for plate 52. Now plate 52 does have a part 2 to the assignment, which basically asks what size paper would this document be printed on. So to figure out the distances, I'm going to go to utilities and go to measure. We'll click on measure, and I'm going to go from one side of the envelope to the other, and it comes with a distance of this 5.1238. Alright, and then from there I'm going to go back to my measure command and go from the top point and I get a total of 8.7234. So now when it comes to the second answer of this particular drawing, and this is the part you don't have to do, but the total height again was the 8.7234. total width was the 5.38. So basically, when looking at the sheet sizes, a size A is measured at 8.5 by 11, and this would qualify if the shape was rotated. So an A size sheet would be your answer.